Learn how to make a carrot drawstring pouch that you can use as a goodie bag for Easter events or spring decor. You can make this using leftover scraps of remnant fabric, as long as you have some green and orange. Download the free pattern on my website by following the link in the description below. To start with, you want to sew the carrot pouch pieces together with right sides together. Next, you want to turn the pouch to the right side and press it to make this seam a little bit neater. Now we want to work on the carrot greens. Sew 2 sets of carrot tops together. You'll sew the carrot tops together just along the sides, leaving the top open. And you also want to leave the bottom tab section open, because this is what's going to become the drawstring casing later. Now you want to clip the corners on the carrot tops to the stitching. Turn the fabric on the casing sections, the tabs at the bottom, in and stitch them, making a little bit of a hem. Now you want to stitch the 2 carrot top pieces together along that upper edge. Next, you want to sew one side of the carrot tops to the pouch. Press the seam up so that the carrot greens are pressed away from the pouch. Next, you want to sew on that second layer of carrot greens by folding it over on the inner side of the carrot. Then you want to stitch along the edge. This step might be a little bit tricky if you're a beginner, since you're working with such a narrow section. The trick is to sew with the machine needle on the inside of the hole rather than trying to sew around the outside. Now you want to make another line of stitching 1/2 inch up from the seam. This will create that drawstring casing. Now all you have to do is add the string. Insert 2 pieces of string through the casing. You need each piece of string to go all the way around through both casings. And that's it, you have finished your drawstring carrot treat bag.